Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm super excited to show you the Honor X9d smartphone. And let me tell you, this device is absolutely packed with features that'll blow your mind. So let's dive right in. First impressions. This phone looks absolutely gorgeous in this beautiful beige color. It's sleek, it's modern, and it just feels premium in your hands. The build quality is exceptional for the price point. Now let's talk specs, because this is where things get really interesting. You're getting a massive 12 GB of RAM, paired with 256 GB of storage. This means multitasking is buttery smooth, apps load instantly, games run without any lag, and you can keep tons of apps open without any slowdowns. The storage is perfect for all your photos, videos, and apps without constantly worrying about space. The display is absolutely stunning. You get vibrant colors, deep blacks, and the brightness is incredible, even in direct sunlight. Whether you're streaming videos, playing games, or just browsing, everything looks crisp and clear. Camera performance is seriously impressive. The camera setup delivers sharp, detailed photos with accurate colors. The low light performance is solid, and video recording is smooth and stable. You'll definitely be happy with the photos you capture. But performance-wise, this phone handles everything you throw at it. Gaming, streaming, heavy multitasking, no problem at all. The processor is powerful and efficient, so you're getting excellent performance without draining the battery too quickly. Speaking of battery, you get all-day battery life easily. You can go through a full day of heavy use and still have juice left. The fast charging is a huge convenience factor too. One thing I really appreciate is the nano SIM support, giving you flexibility with carriers. The software is clean and intuitive, making navigation super easy. Value for money? Absolutely incredible. You're getting flagship features at a mid-range price. This phone honestly punches way above its weight. Overall, the Honor X9d is an outstanding smartphone that I definitely recommend to anyone looking for a reliable, powerful device that won't break the bank. If you found this review helpful, please hit that subscribe button and let me know in the comments what you think about this phone. Thanks for watching.
I did it all, I played pretend, I moved the mountains to be your friend. I wanna know if it mattered. I would have gone to war for you, I would have bent the earth in two just to get to our ever after. Something about this has changed, I wanna feel you close again. Don't let go, no, I don't want this to end. Whoa. Remember the start when you're breaking my heart again, like blood on a pen. Would it matter then when everything starts to fade? I'm back like it's yesterday. Would it all consent? Would it matter then? Would it matter then? I did it all, I pulled the weight on my shoulders like it was fate. Don't tell me it was for nothing. You told me love wasn't true, 'cause it didn't feel real to a cynic like you. But I'm pretty sure we walked into something. Something about this has changed, I wanna feel you close again. Don't let go, no, I don't want this to end. Remember the start when you're breaking my heart again, like blood on a pen. Would it matter then when everything starts to fade? I'm back like it's yesterday. Would it all consent? Would it matter then? Would